Millions of years before humans, the Earth belonged to giants. Dinosaurs lived on our planet for over 160 million years. They dominated land, sea, and sky long before modern life appeared. Understanding the past helps us appreciate the world we live in today. Not all dinosaurs looked like terrifying monsters. Therizinosaurus had claws longer than a human arm, yet it was likely a plant eater. This dinosaur had a skull so thick, scientists believe it may have used it to headbutt rivals. With a sail on its back, Spinosaurus lived both on land and in water. Carnotaurus had horns on its head and arms even smaller than a T-Rex. The more we learn about dinosaurs, the stranger and more fascinating they become.